tarik tnad pule puthi Rakkam Sangma haba kren chekilat pathai khubor mynta kasi tarik naitung iathuh ban Thungkam Kumba khat Spah Tylli ki Kam Nonghikai naka bynta ki bala pass ke exam Mtet hadien ka khat saw tarik naitung.
Government LP school are beginning now. Teachers for we have already Mtet pass candidate. We have decided to recruit at the earliest possible. The former advertisement and notification will be out on Friday. Friday is on which date? 14. Friday is on 14. On 14, the advertisement for recruiting more than 1,200 plus government and school vacancies will be out for all the Mtet pass candidates in the state, in all the subdivisions of the state.
Any timeline that the government has fixed to?
The same one?
Yes.
No, once the advertisement is plotted out, it will not take time. We will try to finish all this process in maximum 2 months. Maybe we even try to finish before 15 August also. But I don't know. Let's work out it as possible. But we will finish all the process. We'll complete all the process in next 2 months.
So
also discuss with our Union Minister of Human Resources in Delhi. So for that also, in the review meeting which will be chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, where the officials from the Ministry Government of India, Human Resource Development, will be there. That issue will be taken up, and we have already communicated, already discussed with the Union Minister and with the NEOs and what you call iathuh. So I think we're planning to train untrained teacher through iathuh and the NEOs again.
so another
It's been decided. We are waiting for the situation in Manipur to come down, but I think it's not happening. It is just something to be. I think something has to be examined and decided at the interest of our students, because the situation is not improving in Manipur. It looks like, but I would be at my bottom of my heart would like to request those friends in Manipur. I think peace is the need of the hour, because life is more on priority for any community, for anybody. So I think if the peace can be prevailed at the state, would have been the happiest people in the state.